So now 13 require of the last 5 balls.
I feel आज पर्पल नाइट्स जीते या गोल्डन नाइट्स जीते, द रियल विनर्स ऑफ टुडेज मैच विल बी द फैंस, क्योंकि सारे प्लेयर्स को इन फॉर्म देख के, कार्तिक त्यागी, यंग ब्लड, न्यू ब्लड फॉर केकेआर, seeing him in form, seeing Rinku, Ramandeep, everybody in form. Oh, that's a wide. Seeing each and every player in form, सभी बहुत खुश होंगे. All the KKR fans must be delighted. और बहुत ही excited होंगे for the season that is coming up, for the game that is coming up on 29th with Mumbai Indians. And let's talk about the skipper with Cameron Green. सभी बहुत ही उम्दे फॉर्म में हैं. And I think the real winners are the fans. Kartik Tyagi, ready for his third ball, which is second. Oh, tried to hit that straight into the fielder's hand. That's a single.
Yeah, the same shot which got him the boundary in the previous instance has now gone for a single. So now 4 balls remain, 11 runs to get. Manish Pandey on strike. Kartik Tyagi, who's been the pick of the bowlers, gearing up for these last 4 crucial balls. Here we go, it's going to be a thriller. Oh, another Yorker, but he's carved it for 4. Excellent shot from Manish Pandey. He has made sure that the boundary count is there, and now the target has now come down to 7 of the last 3 balls. He's just carved it for 4 and found the gap.
Vintage Manish Pandey. 11 of 7, but now the far simpler equation is 7 of 3. That's what Purple Knights require. Kartik Tyagi had a brilliant start to the match. Picked up 3 wickets in his first over, but now it's business end and he needs to finish it off well. Oh, good ball, right in the block hole. They're going to try to come back for the second, and they will succeed in doing so. 5 of 2.
Really close. It's really getting tense. And Kartik Tyagi has held his own in this pressure situation. He only had 14 to defend of this last over. And he's nailed 2 or 3 brilliant Yorkers. One of which went to the boundary as well. But overall, the execution and the planning has been brilliant. Remember, this is the same bowler who's defended just 4 runs in the IPL in 2020. And he's recreating that last 2 balls here. Backs away, smashes it, but will only get a single. So he's now gone to the last ball in this absolutely thrilling contest. 1 ball, 4 runs to get. Rahul Tripathi on strike. Are we getting sort of a qualifier 2 in 2021 vibes?
Oh, Nikhil, you got it absolutely right. I think 5 was required of 2 in that situation. It was this man who was on strike then that made us possible to dream in the year 2021 and cut to 2026. Tripathi on strike. He's on 42 and the team requires 4 runs off the last ball. Nail-biting finish on the cards. Tyagi to Tripathi. 4 of 1. Oh, that's a no ball! That's a no ball! They're not going to take a run, but it has absolutely made things a lot more interesting. It is now 3 required of the last ball. And if they get 2, do we have a super over, Nikhil? What are the rules of the practice match? Where does DL method go here?
I think we definitely will have a super over if that scenario comes in. The coaches will love to have this scenario as well. I think we have all had all kinds of scenarios through these 2 practice games, and it doesn't get any better than that. Karthik Tyagi tried to nail that Yorker, but missed out and ended up being a no ball. So now, just 3 runs required of the last ball. And it'll be very interesting to see. Here comes Karthik Tyagi. Last ball of the game. Oh, he smashed it, but straight to the fielder. They'll try for the second. Oh dear. And he's gone. Ankush has struck. The Golden Knights have won a thriller here by just 1 run.
What a match! The Golden Knights, after scoring 249 runs in the first innings, they were given a different situation to defend. And it was 3 needed of the last ball. And absolute thriller of a contest comes to an end with Golden Knights winning this one and seeing home. 188 for 9 is what Purple